Alright guys, so here are the ingredients to the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. We have 4 packs of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. We have an egg for the egg dip. We have cornmeal flour. We have normal flour that we're gonna mix with the Cheetos. And we have chicken wings. So let's get to it. First on the list, we're gonna blend up some Cheetos to make them extra fine in order to add it to the flour. We don't have a food processor, so we're gonna be using a blender. Tonight we have the guys in the kitchen. Let's go, guys. Put on the cover. We can see that they don't cook. And we want it nice and fine. Alright, so the first pack of Cheetos is finished blending. Right, so now they're gonna just be mixing everything together. We're gonna be using this as a coat for the chicken. Right, so that's 3 packs of Cheetos with some flour and some cornmeal. It's time to heat up the pot, add the oil, and get to assembling the chicken. Want to make sure the pot has enough oil. Pour, pour, pour. You don't have to pour it around the pot, just pour it straight into the pot. Yes guys, you can see that these boys don't do any cooking. Add some more oil please, so. Yes, look at that.
Good job.
We need to have enough oil so that the chicken will be totally in oil. Right. So here we go. We're assembling the chicken now guys. First we're gonna just roll them around in a little bit of egg. And then we are taking some of the points from other YouTubers. Then we're gonna rest it in the flour batter. Yeah, right there. So we have 3 small packs of Cheetos and 3 small packs of Cheetos, a little bit of cornmeal, and a little bit of normal flour. And all the guys are doing is just baking it on, making sure that everything is coated really well. And then they're just gonna rest it on the plate for a little bit, and then we're gonna add it to the pot. So the oil is kinda nice and hot. We wanna start transferring chicken to the pot, guys. We wanna make sure everything is hot and sizzling. People are working for their dinner tonight. You see the chicken is nice and coated. Here we go. Yeah. Let's go. Don't waste the thing. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Bryce is wasting. Here we go. Ah! Yes. Nice and hot, and I'm getting burnt. Alright guys, so we have 4 pieces of wings in the pot. We're just gonna turn the temperature down a little because we don't want our chicken to burn before it is well cooked. And I think I'm gonna add a cover to the pot. So stay tuned to see how our spicy or flaming hot Cheeto fried chicken wings. Yeah. Well, let's say anything.
I just think that's it. Honestly. I just think I work hard, you know.
Alright.
I'm trying to be ourselves.
We're gonna watch
Bro.
it. So hot. Nice.
Yes, Bryce, we got that reaction.
Truth?
How is your chicken? Yeah, guys. It's all good in the hood. How's your chicken, dude? It's wonderful. You can't even talk. Yeah.
I did a good job. I did a good job.
Alright, guys. Signing off from 3 Awesome Kids. It's about to go down again.